Okay, welcome back to Justice's Sections Part 4. And this is expanding because I'm just doing other stuff. Because I got to finish this plan up, so I might as well just kind of record this stuff. And so these are the notes that were left over from the other job. So all I do is I go Y, select this stuff here. And this is, these are kind of like general notes. This is going to be called out somewhere. 8 to copy it over to here. Those notes, 8 to copy it over to here. It's easier for me just to, and then Y, it's just easier for me to do it all than to think about what not to do, if you understand what I'm saying. So here, there's no headers along there, but there's existing shear. There's, that's not a header. I've got existing shear here. So I'm just starting to shuffle around this stuff. This is an existing header here, existing shear, existing header here. Yeah, jumping around. Delete this. These are existing 2x raptors and that stuff. And this pool. What am I working on? Wrong anno set. How about lower framing? My lower framing anno set, which triggers my lower framing layer set. So these are existing 2x roof rafters and existing 2x ceiling joists across here. I'm calling that stuff out. That's gone. Y shear over to here. Existing header, existing shear. 8 to copy over to here. And existing, take these two things right here, slide them over. I don't know what size headers they are, but I know there's something there. Delete this. Y to select all this text. Align that text. Align the top edges. Don't move vertically. Yeah, now it's all nice and pretty. Y, get rid of that text. Y, get rid of this text. Y, get rid of that text. Y, get rid of this text. Existing shear, tab, copy. Move it over to here because that's existing shear. That's actually a Simpson shear wall, by the way. They're building that one right now. But delete that. Delete this. Y, delete this stuff here. Y, delete this stuff. Y is my text key. So I'm selecting my text. This is just an extra thing that I don't need right now, so just get that out of the way. Right there. I got rid of some stuff that I shouldn't have gotten rid of, didn't I? Y, take this, align. There should be a hotkey for aligning. Yeah, that's all sort of, yeah, that's good enough. Control C, Control V, stick it right there, spin it around. Stick it right there. 8 to copy, stick it right over here, right there. Switch these two around, I guess, huh? Reflect vertically. I don't know. There's always, it seems like it's, yeah, move that down. Existing 4x. I had more existing shear here, so I'm just going to move this over to here. Move this header down to here. And then 8, 4 to copy over and over. 1, 2. Perfect. And I think I got a Control C, Control V. I got a header in here. And I got a header in here. Yeah, that's that beam, if you understand what I'm saying. I'm not going to get that. I should. Yeah, I should. It's kind of like, how much stuff do you do? Oh, and by the way, I know these are trusses. 1, 2, CV, spin this around. Oh, I should build these trusses. These are trusses. I might have to update my. I can't wait till they come up with automatic updating on the sections and elevations. Existing trusses. Y to select this text here. CV. Yep. That's not a header. Spin these two around, or reflect them. Can I reflect? I wish I should learn that hotkey, if there is a hotkey, such a thing. Yeah, so now I got all my, boop. I think it's sort of done, right? Oh, I got to do my trusses. I'll do my trusses. I got a truss right there. And I'm going to stick that truss right on that thing. Oops. It's going to probably get automatic snap right. Now I'm going to multiple copy that stuff. Multiple copy these trusses. Yep. F12 to rebuild to get rid of the ceiling joists and stuff. There they are right there. Now I got to select these two trusses. 1, 2, U, end truss, force truss to rebuild. Alt J to take a look at it. You think it's going to be right? I think it is. Yep, there are the trusses. Yeah, and see, when you do these trusses, just so you know, let me see. See these walls that go up here? I got the end trusses, but I got the walls going up there again. So let me see if I can remember how to do this. Double click this wall. You kind of have to, okay, F12. Yeah, see, now I got rid of those the walls right there. These trusses are right. Oh, and I don't have I don't have my ceiling joists going the right way, do I? So I need to come over to here and go, joist direction. I have a hotkey for that, or I did it one time, but I think my hotkey's screwed up. Watch this. See, now those ceiling joists go the right way. The rafters go the right way, and the rafters are the color of the fascia because I don't have soffits on this house. You can see this is my colored framing thing. I love this thing, man. It's really cool. This colored framing. I can see my floor joists, my ceiling joists, my rafters. My sill plate's yellow down here. My girder beams are that color there. And you can see a green post in there. That's just something I picked up yesterday, or perfected a little bit more. So I think in my little mind, actually these joists are 2x, I don't know what, Control C, Control V. I'm sure I got a header here. Control V, got a header here. Got a header. Cancel. Control V, I think I got a header here because the ceiling joists are running front to back. Control V, I got a header here, I think. Control V. And back in the day, they didn't. V, I got a header here. Now let's see if I can do this right. I should have this as, I don't want this. I don't show my ceiling joists with this arrow right here. I'm on my lower framing. I'm on my lower framing work set. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to turn that layer off is what I wanted to do. Tab, 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 tab. Turn that layer off because I don't want to see that in layout because I'm working on my lower framing. Now, if I go to my lower framing work set, I want to see it. Yeah, there it is. And now what I want to do is I want to do my bearing lines. 1, 2, 3. With any luck, I built this right. Yep, now I'm getting the breaks. You got that? Tab, 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 tab. There it is. 2 to make parallel. Select this one here, 2 to make parallel. Yep, it's breaking. Now those ceiling joists are breaking right over on that bearing wall. And I think I'm going to have another one of those. See, I think they're going to break 9 to point, 1. I think it's right about there. Yeah. And put this right on top of that wall. So my ceiling joists break on top of that. I hope this is there. And pull this down like this. Timer up. F12. And now they break. Now my ceiling joists break, okay? So now I just did the whatever. And I don't know, if I turn on my line weights, yeah, and you can see this stuff. Yeah, you think I got my line weights correct? Oh, this is my work set. Go to my non-work set, the set that goes to layout. Not good. That should be, you know, I'm whatever. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, now those things stick out more. And now here's my trusses. That should be 25. And I honestly don't know why this 25, make it heavier. Yeah, see, my trusses are heavier. And I have a header right here. And I'm going to do what should I do here? General framing number? No, I'm going to do the corbels. Watch this. Millwork corbels. M-I-L, millwork corbels exterior, because I actually do have corbels. And I'm going to make those corbels cancel. For this framing, I'm going to make them red. And I'll make them a line weight of 35. And I'm going to this. Now you're going to, what was the other one? Oh, I know. CAD. I'm porch solid drop beam. Oh, where is it? Soffit at porch number 2. I think that's it. And that's going to be 35. And you're going to see the beams in the front porch. Red. Okay, and then boop. Yep. See, there's those headers right there. And here's a corbel right there. I got another corbel over here. Whatever they are, they are what they are. Good enough for me. Existing trusses. And now I think, now this is one other thing I do. I go Shift A. Yes. M to shift all these, to select all the dimensions. U, I put my dimensions on layer framing. Right there. And I don't want to delete, I don't want to show my windows, I don't think. I'll pull this down to here, I guess, huh? That's sort of in the way. And this kind of gives the spans. If the engineer needs to engineer it, he's got these dimensions already there. And he really doesn't need these window opening dimensions, delete. So I stripped some of these dimensions away. Delete. There. Pull this over like this. I don't want that dimension. 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 I just want bearing lines, I think. So I think those ceiling joists are spanning, what, 8, 2, 9, 4, and 11, 6. And if I come over to here, I think those ceiling joists are spanning 15 foot 2. Ooh, that's a long ways. And then these ceiling joists are spanning 5 foot 2 and 8 foot 8. So I kind of have a general idea of the spacing on these things. You get what I'm saying, brother? I got my attic access right there, and I think everything's sort of copacetic. All the bearing headers are right there. I think I'm sort of done. Okay. And if I want to, yeah, I don't want to. Yeah, I'll just because I want to, I'll show the distance between the building here. It should be 4 foot 2, I believe. There, 4 foot 2. Yep. There we go. I think that's done. So I spent, what, 10, 15 minutes doing this, and it's done? I think it's about as done as it can be. I think. Not really. Control C, Control V, U. Existing 2 by, I don't know, 6. It's probably what this is right here. and then you get your rafters. And all right, I think that's done. Okay, now I'm going to do the foundation real quick. That's the end of part 4.